we're going to talk about prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and itself without any remainder. That is prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. If it's not clear, please you can tell me, Ella. Yeah? But at least it's visible. Okay. So let's proceed. 11. After 11, we have 13, 17, 19. We have 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. Thank you. Is it visible there? What you have to do, no need for you to shift it. Keep it in one position. The way the thing is. If I'm moving, you turn here. You move here. I think it's where I am. You can see what I'm doing. 43. We have, here am I again. We have 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Etc. There are still many more. The ones you should know, this, and especially this. In fact, forget to hear important first. Those in basic 5. You should cram them. They appear randomly. So prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and itself without any remainder. We have covered that. How do you apply prime numbers? All these you see here, they can be applied in LCM, which is lowest common multiple, HCF, highest common factors. LCM is also called least common multiples. It can also be applied here in prime factors. 4 can be also be applied in square roots. Square roots of numbers. I don't know whether I've done this before, but it's better I should do it again. So when we are doing this, we're going to start with prime factors and square roots. I will be quick with it ASAP. That's what I'm going to do. Don't want to spend too much time with it. I don't want to spend too much time with it. I start with prime factors. Prime factors. What are prime factors? When you say prime factors are the prime numbers. Prime factors are prime numbers that can divide a particular number without remainder. What are prime factors? Prime factors are prime numbers that can divide a particular number without remainder. E.g., prime factor, we call it PF, prime factor. Find the prime factor of 20. We do this. There's something you should know. Any number that has 0 at the end, 2 and 5 can divide it. Do you understand? 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. Any number that have 2, 4, 6, 8. Any number with 2, 4, 6, 8 at the end of the number, whether it's 84, 98, it is only 2 that can go. Use 2 to divide it. Use what? 2 to divide it. Any number that has 0 and 5. Any number that has 0, 2 can go and 5 can go. Any number that has 5 at the end, use what? 5. Let's go. What can go in 20? 2. 2 in 20 will give you what? 10. Remember I did division. 20 can go in 2. This is, let me do it. 2 in 20. This is 2 times 1, 2. For basic class, are you guys saying 1, 2? This is 1. You're looking for 2. This is 2. How many times? 1. 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. What will happen to this 0 here? To come here, that is 10. How many 2 can go in 10? 2 in 10 will give you what? 5. What can go in 5? 5. 5 divided by 5 will give you what? 1. Therefore, prime factor of 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. This is your what? Answer. You know, I was talking about square root and prime factor. I will do the square roots for you now. We don't have time. Let me go to square root. What if you're not asked to do for the square root? Some people like solving square root without giving solving. If they ask you square root of 144, you say it's 12. Prove it to us that it's 12. If they ask you, why is the square root of 100? You say that the square root of 100 is 10. Okay, prove it to us. Let's go to square root. And how many minutes is there now? 5. Tell me, talk, you are free. 5:49. So we'll be fast. Square root. This is the sign of square root. I'll explain very soon what square root means. Write this. Square root of 100, square root of 144. I'll be quick with it. 100. What can go in 100? 2. 2 in 100 will give you what? 50. What can go in 50? 2. 2 in 50 will give us what? 25. What can go in 25? 5. 5 in 25 will give us what? 5. What can go in 5? 5. 5 in 5, 1. So you take it by 2. The number will appear twice. Are you seeing it? Therefore, it's 2 times what? 5. 2 times 5 is what? 10. Therefore, square root of 100 is equals to what? 10. That means 10 times 10 will give you 100. Let's do this for 144. What can go in 144? 2. 2 in 40 will give us 7. 2 in 4 will give us 2. What can go in 72? 2. 2 in 72 will give us 36. What can go in 36? 18. What can go in 18? We use 2. 2 in 2 will give us 9. What can go in 9? 3. 3 in 9 will give us 3. What can go in 3? 3. 3 in 3 will give us what? 1. We go like this. 2. We go like this. 2. We go like this. 3. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is equals to what? 12. Therefore, square root of 144 is equals to what? 12. That is the answer.